Out here in an answer plot, this is a plant physiology demonstration where we purposely are taking different leaves off the corn plant. We've done this now for the past couple of years. So we're going to reference some of our previous yield results along with what the ears look like. First thing to note, this is what our untreated check looks like. You can see the entire plant is intact, and this is what the ears look like. Now our first treatment that we're going to look at here is where we purposely took off every leaf on this corn plant at tassel time frame. And here's what the ears look like right here. On our next treatment, now we're taking off all the leaves from the ear leaf up on the plant. How important are the top leaves on that corn plant? Here's what the ears look like. Somewhere around 50 to 60% of all the yield potential on a corn plant is driven by these top leaves. But wait, let's dial in a little closer to which leaf is actually driving most of the yield potential. Now we're taking off all the leaves from the ear up, but we're leaving that ear leaf on. Here's what the ears look like. Think about that. Somewhere between 30 and 40% of all the yield potential on a corn plant comes from that ear leaf. So the question to start thinking about is, how do we make sure that ear leaf stays as healthy as possible? This is a brand new treatment. We've never done this one before, so we don't have any yield data yet on this one. But now what we're doing, we took off every leaf with the exception of the ear leaf, and we're going to find out if the yields we can pick up by leaving the ear leaf on is the same as what we lost by taking the ear leaf off. Now the question I want to leave you with is, how do we make sure we keep that ear leaf as healthy as possible? I'm going to show you a couple of plates here that we've purposely sprayed with red dye to show a couple of tips. First thing, this is what that pattern looks like at approximately the ear leaf. Now the next one here, this is what that pattern looks like where we include Master Lock, which is a drift deposition aid and surfactant product that's purposely designed for use with fungicides. So when you compare with versus without, we get 2 to 3x more coverage when we have Master Lock in the tank. And one of the things that we've noticed from previous WinField United research is we pick up somewhere between 4 to 5 bushels of yield advantage when we include Master Lock along with fungicides. That's part of the reason why. Better coverage down at the ear leaf, drives more yield potential, gives you a better ROI on fungicide.